So if I have any points and I'm able to select stuff, will I spawn with it next?
Yes. If you die and respawn, or if you what's it called? If you resupply in the ammo box.
Oh, so that might make it help.
You've got like 4 guys in the river coming at you. Let's go help our friendlies.
So I survived the whole time. Once we captured a Molotov gets me.
Typical.
Yes, typical.
Oh yeah, for this one you're gonna need weapons, Jenkins. Huh? You're gonna need weapons.
Yeah, I figured that.
This is the last one.
Yeah, this one is terrible.
Would you figure it?
No!
I saw that come in.
We're here.
Another one on the roof.
Got him.
Oh, fuck him up, Jenkins.
This is observer.
Drones.
Explosive drone, get inside. Oh shit, it's trying to go. Jesus! The drone flew inside the door I was in.